Oh my God.
Reel, stop lifting him, reel. Bro, you ain't losing another fish. Reel, use that, turn the handle.
I'm trying. God dang. Don't forget, I just had shoulder surgery done.
Yeah, shoulder sugar.
It's some. Oh. Hey, I'm getting.
I'm sorry. Here,
Whoa. Oh shit.
Just reel, stop doing that. You're high sticking, you're gonna lose the fish. Just reel, take your time. Oh, you're getting bitch slapped, aren't you?
Yeah. It's just a little fucking.
It's a little itty bitty fucking. Is it a snapper or is it a. Oh, it's a little itty bitty fucking snapper, and you act like it's a fucking 18-pound fucking fish. I didn't.
Whoa.
You must have. Oh, it's a red snapper of all red snappers. Please don't let the. When you get to the top, don't leave a bunch of slack in the line. Okay?
What do you mean?
Don't fucking leave no slack. Better not have, Jason. If you did, I'm gonna beat your ass.
Looks like a.
This is a red snapper.
No, looks like a snake.
It's real.
He's going to eat the boot.
Oh, is that a mango?
I know.
This bitch just caught a mutton.
Nah. First one. Oh, my GoPro is working. It should be a lot big. I don't want to realize how much bigger than that.
That's small compared to
I know.
That's why I want you to start using dead sardines. And we'll get it fired up.
Is that big enough? What type of fish?
Huh? Oh, I know. That's not. I caught them way bigger than that too. Don't forget, man. I got hurt. It's been 3 weeks only, or 4 weeks. Total shoulder replacement. Really?
He will not touch him, Earl. Fucking scared of that.
God damn. Alright. I love God. Where's your live where you want me to put them? Oh, in there, Chase?